Though we are not a God, apparently there is no debt in your eye or your face. But in the past, people rumored your death. How did you take it?
Well, I died for 5 days. Not a joke. Listen, there was nothing wrong with me.
Okay.
I took permission from the Senate President about 7 days before the Senate closed. I went to US for a little studies in one of the universities that I paid for myself, not that anybody paid for. I went to do some courses for 2 months. So I used the holiday period to do the courses in that university about democracy and the position of economy. So, and this is exactly what I did. I did not die. I didn't even go for any medical or anything at all. So, but I give thanks to God. If people say I've died, we thank God, thank the people. We continue to believe they will do well and they will be able to do better.
Another leg of the rumor is that about your private jet. They said that the hardship is the land and made you not to be using it.
Well, it's not about hardship. The hardship is true. People are suffering. We have hundreds of thousands of workers in our group, and we have about 10,000 workers entire group we run. And we need to pay those salaries, and those salaries are important. If I fly at any time, buying fuel and maintaining the private plane takes almost $20,000. So I called our senior members in the company. I said, well, I have to also make my own sacrifice. It's not for federal government, it's for the good of our company. So I said, fly no more. Fly the commercial, go with the commercial, and save the money for restructuring of our workers, both in Nigeria and West Africa, so that everybody will feed at this time of hardship, because we feel that the reformation going on now have never happened in the last 60 years. No president, as I'm telling you, had the courage to do what President Tinubu is doing now. It's about courage. The man is very courageous in terms of courage. Possibly if I'm president, what he's doing now to reform the economy, taking everything together, I might not do it. I might come slowly, but the man is very courageous, very, very courageous. So it goes with hardship. So people, I know, even in my village, in everywhere I go, the companies, everybody, there's hardship. But I appeal to federal government, I appeal to the president to know how he can bring succor quickly to the people of Nigeria. He has to do something, not yesterday, today. Not tomorrow, today. He must do something like yesterday, because the condition of Nigerian people is not too good. And I believe no president will want his people to suffer. No president in the world elected by people will want those people to suffer. So I believe him and his team, we are here, we are making laws. You people think we are the one holding government. We are not the one holding government. We are just, there are 3 arms of government, the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. We are here making laws. We don't do any other thing than make laws. And it's that lawmaking that we need. So it is not totally out of place, but Nigeria will come out stronger.
So the final question for Mr. Samson. Okay.
We heard from within the APC there is a pressure on Mr. President to turn the subsidy.
Well, I am not in the economic team. I just came back. I have not seen president. I have not seen anybody to ask. But these are what president have to sit with the economic team to do. But the decisions he's taken is a decision that no president in 60 years of republic, no president have been able to take that decision.
In the aftermath of edoelection, we had Gandhi saying that there's a template that the APC is going to capture the Southeast. And considering the social afflictions likely caused by APC, do you think it's in the interest of that zone?
Well, yes, of course. Like, we are working very hard in our states, and we will put our heart in it to deliver our states, to make sure that we convince the people of our state. This is about interest. It's about interest. They should know where to belong to. So we'll convince them to join other people to vote for APC.
Finally, champion, please.